A tree when it is in flower, and no fruit from it is born, gives joy to its Lord for an hour, yet does him no good, and he is forlorn. Just so is a young man's power, when he earns and saves nothing torn. For when the great need comes to tower, he cannot serve with aught and scorn. Falls on his friend, so he must guard, lest his substance be marred and spent in baseness hard, but serve well with grateful regard, God and his friend with honor. Is not well provided with wealth beyond other failings part, his noble heart tells him undivided to make a fair worth his art. And his fine heart within teaches to place his love in a high place is smart. And since loyalty does not help his heart, he finds few who will keep him and reaches when he cannot fulfill his part. His understanding and his grace